Let's learn how to add mixed numbers with renaming.
Carol bought 3 1/3 pounds of red apples and 2 3/4 pounds of green apples. How many pounds of apples did she buy in all? To find the answer, we add 3 1/3 plus 2 3/4. First, we rewrite the fractional parts as like fractions. We get this. We can use fraction models to represent these mixed numbers, like this. Next, we add the fractional parts, then add the wholes. 4/12 plus 9/12 equals 13/12. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. This is an improper fraction, so we need to rename it as a mixed number, then add it to the sum of the whole numbers. 5 13/12 is equal to 5 plus 1 plus 1/12. We get 6 1/12. Therefore, Carol bought 6 1/12 pounds of apples in all.
Enjoyed the video? Start learning now! Subscribe to our program by clicking the button below.